Business owners often struggle to find the time to do the bookkeeping for their business. This is a topic that I see come up often with many of the business owners that I work with. I understand how much this can cause issues in your business, especially when you know how important it is to have your bookkeeping up to date and review the data that it shows about your business so that you know exactly how your business is doing. Managing finances is often the last thing that business owners want to do, unless, of course, you're a bookkeeper or an accountant yourself. In today's podcast episode, I'm diving into practical tips and strategies that will help you not only have you up to date with all your bookkeeping tasks, but it will free up more time for your business as well. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. Bookkeeping is one of those things in your business that you need to take seriously so that you can not only have this accurate information to do your taxes, but you'll be able to utilize the information you see in your business to make smart business decisions. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. Do you think about doing the bookkeeping for your business as a daunting task? I get it, and I see this thought with many of the business owners that I work with. It's pretty normal for a business owner to think this, especially when you're running a business that specializes in something that you're passionate about, but that passion doesn't extend to doing the books for your business or managing the finances for your business. But I know you understand how important your business finances are to your business, right? After all, you're listening to this podcast. So understanding your business finances is crucial for making smart business decisions, as well as growing your business and achieving your goals. When you're ready to find the time to focus on your bookkeeping, the first thing I want you to do is to make sure that you're prioritizing your bookkeeping just like you would do with any other essential task in your business. You need to allocate time that you will dedicate to focusing on strictly doing your bookkeeping. This may be daily, weekly, or even monthly. By having a consistent schedule in place, it will help prevent your bookkeeping from piling up and becoming an overwhelming chore. I hear so often about how business owners have to spend their weekends catching up on their bookkeeping. Be sure to schedule this time in your calendar and honor the amount of time that you have set for your bookkeeping, even if you don't feel like doing it. Let the time that you set hold you accountable to get it done. I always tell my clients that the best way to have motivation for getting something done is not to wait for the motivation. You just need to get started on it. And as you work through the task that you're focusing on, you'll get that sense of motivation because you're actually getting things done. I know your time is precious as a business owner. You have a lot on your plate. So consider leveraging technology to streamline your bookkeeping process. There are numerous accounting software options available to help you stay up to date with your bookkeeping. I highly recommend using either QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online. And if you're interested in learning more about either of these two options, as well as saving 30% on your first 6 months, you can go to financialadventure.com/resources. When you use a computerized software solution for your bookkeeping, you can automate your data entry, simplify your invoicing, track expenses, and integrate your bank accounts to take advantage of allowing bank feeds to automatically import your entries. Many of these software options have a fee, but I want you to take into consideration the amount of time that you'll save by having a solution that can help you streamline your bookkeeping. Not to mention how easily it is to generate reports on your financial data after you've recorded your transactions. I also love the option that you have when you're working with QuickBooks Online to add your accountant or your tax preparer to your data file so that they can get all the information they need to prepare your tax return without you having to print out reports or do a backup to get your data over to them. This alone saves business owners time and is something that is often put off as a low priority task. Organization is the next thing I want you to think about when you are trying to find time to do the bookkeeping for your business. Try to keep your financial documents and your receipts well organized from the very beginning. By creating a system, either electronically or in paper form, for your income, your expenses, and tax-related documents, you'll save time by not having to hunt down misplaced paperwork. Having a system in place to keep everything will also reduce any overwhelm that you may be feeling when you have piles and piles of paperwork on your desk and you're not sure where to put them. You also have the opportunity, if you're using QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online, to upload documents so that you can find them easily with the transactions that you're recording. I want to touch on multitasking for a bit here as well when we're talking about finding time to do your bookkeeping. You might be thinking that you can get more done when you multitask, but in reality, you're more than likely taking twice as long to get each task done. When you juggle numerous responsibilities and you try to do everything at once, it can lead to inefficiency and errors. If you can, instead focus on a single task when you're doing your bookkeeping and dedicate a distraction-free environment, you'll find yourself completing the task more efficiently and accurately. If you don't believe me, just try to stop multitasking for a week or two and see if your efficiency improves. This can be fun to see not only in the bookkeeping area of your business, but try it out in other areas of your business as well. And let me know how it goes. I always love hearing from you. Bookkeeping is something that you'll need to continue doing throughout your business, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you personally have to do the bookkeeping for your business. You'll need to assess when you might need to seek help with your bookkeeping. When you do your own bookkeeping, it can help save you money, but there may come a point in time when it makes sense to delegate this responsibility. By hiring a bookkeeper or accountant, they can provide expert insights, ensure compliance, and give you more time to focus on growing your business. Your bookkeeper or your accountant should also be a resource for you to continuously learn about your business. As your business grows, you'll want to stay informed about changes in tax laws, accounting practices, and industry-specific financial considerations. You'll want to make sure that you understand what your financial statements are telling you about your business, as well as what you can do to achieve the goals that you're setting for your business. Bookkeeping is an important aspect of running a successful business, and it deserves your attention. By incorporating these strategies into your routine, you'll find that balancing your books becomes a manageable task that once you prioritize, you'll find the time to accomplish. Enjoy the journey your business is taking and utilize your financial statements as a compass that guides you to reach the success in your business. I work with business owners and accountants to create the actionable steps they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm that they feel from the pressure of owning a business, the deadlines, and the workloads that they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week we meet privately, one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. It could be your highest priority that you want to work on, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, and we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every call, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the week to come. And you have relief knowing that we'll meet again the next week to go over anything that comes up after the call. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. This is a new coaching program, and I'm opening it with special pricing for a limited time. The investment is an easy yes for you. I've set this program up in the most supportive way for you. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the program. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for this program due to the one-on-one aspect, and it will sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the program when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. Everyone has something that they want in their lives, and I help them get it. I know this is something that you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create this exact program. I've made the final touches on it, and now it's available for you. I know how much you wanted it. The faster that you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities that are available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself why you need this program in your life right now. Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, and stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career and to start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or your career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.